Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, obviously from the title, you can tell that this video is going to be different than my other videos because it has absolutely nothing to do with makeup or clothes. So I don't know. So I got the idea to redo our big tree, I call it, because it's a 9-foot Christmas tree. And it's about 18 years old. So we actually got this tree when our oldest daughter was just a couple months old, like for her first Christmas. So this tree is huge. It's been in the family for, like I said, 18 years, and it's 9 feet tall. So we call it the big Christmas tree, and it is absolutely probably too big for our house. Our old house actually had like a peak in the ceiling, like it went upwards, and our ceiling in our house now does not have that, so the tree looks ridiculously large in the room that it's in. But we love the tree so much, and I love Christmas, so we just keep putting it up for now. I mean, obviously this isn't our forever home, so we're not gonna like get rid of the tree. So last year, and for probably the past maybe 8, 9, 10 years maybe, it's been black and silver, and then I change it up a little bit. So our oldest daughter was like, hey, you have the Hogwarts Express. She was like, why don't you do a Harry Potter themed tree? She's like, you love Harry Potter, you already have the train, why don't you do it? And I was like, I don't know. I was like, that'd be expensive, blah, 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 blah. But then I started looking at like some of the stuff that people did, and I was like, I guess I could do this. So I decided to make my own ornaments. I didn't buy any of like the actual Harry Potter figures or anything like that, but I was like, you know what, I could do this, just buying like regular ornaments you'd buy at the store. So I decided to go through at home with you guys, and I'm not gonna lie, people that do like vlogs and take you through the store, like, I give them a lot of credit, because that shit was a lot harder than those people make it seem. Like trying to, well, for one, I had a basket, and then I had the kids with me. So I had a baby, I had the older two, and then trying to go up and down the aisles, and the store was like hella busy. So I didn't want to like have people, like other customers, on camera. So trying to film and trying to like give you guys an idea what was in the store, and holding the camera and then turning it on and off, and then trying to like look at stuff. So like going through the store had to be like first just kind of like filming and looking at everything, and then we had to do like another round through the store where I was actually able to like pay attention and pick up the things that like I needed, and make sure that I was like, okay, this is really what I want. So anyway, point being, I've never done this before. If you're like, what the hell is she doing filming, you could just fast forward through the part of going through the store or whatever. But I don't know, this whole video is like pieced together from, picking out those ornaments and going through and putting the tree together and making the ornaments that I made, and so on and so forth. I don't show making all of the ornaments, but I do show like the tree and how it turned out. So anyway, it was something new. It was fun. I really enjoyed it. I'm really glad that my older daughter talked me into doing it, because I ended up having a lot of fun doing it. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. I was like, maybe somebody out there wants to see how I did it, and maybe somebody else is thinking, oh, I can't do that, it's going to cost too much money, or this, that, or the other. I did get some of the ornaments on sale, like at home. I don't think I put the price in there, but I'll link stuff below. And I'm pretty sure like they had different perk days where like the big containers of ornaments were like $10 or $20, and then you got 50% off. So there's definitely a way that you could do it where you could get them for half the price and make it definitely affordable, or less expensive to do. You don't have to purchase everything full price. But then, the different things I ordered off of Amazon, they're linked below also, the little wooden pieces, the keys and things like that. So I link stuff in the video, and then I'll link everything below. But yeah, it just took time. It took time, and it took some work, but I enjoy working with my Cricut also, but that's not stuff I usually film or do or whatever, because there's so many people out there that are so much better at that kind of stuff than I am. I just kind of dabble in it. if you will. So it was all a learning experience and I had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you have a Harry Potter themed tree, tell me about it. Let's talk about it. Let's have a discussion. But either way, I really hope you enjoy it. Happy holidays to all of you watching this. I wish nothing but the best of health and happiness for all of you that watch my videos. Thank you for watching them. Thank you for subscribing. I just hope that you and your family stay well through all of this and enjoy the holidays, whatever it is you may celebrate. So thank you, and yeah, enjoy the video. Keep watching. I'll say bye, but this isn't the end. Just keep watching. So I got the box of keys from Amazon, and they come in 2 different sizes. So you have the big one and the little one, and then there's 5 different designs. So I'm just hot gluing the wings onto them instead of tying them on. So this is what I have done so far. I'll go ahead and zoom you in. So I will show you what the finished product looks like in just a little bit. Okay, so here I have to cut these out, and then I'm going to place them on here, and then I use the iron and put it on, and I will show you in a second. So here are the finished ones. Okay, so there's the tree. It's about 9 feet tall. I just put the topper on. It's obviously not fluffed out because it's super lopsided, but I'll have to get out the small ladder to get up there. But yeah, this is the rest of the tree all on the floor. I don't even know if they make trees like this. It's about 18 years old, and you have to put it together in sections, and it's alphabetized. So each pile is a different letter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that together.